Your mobile site is excluding millions of users right now. 60% of web traffic comes from phones, but most sites have tiny buttons that people with disabilities can't tap, gestures they can't perform, and forms they can't fill out. Here's what you need to fix immediately. First, make your touch targets bigger. The CAG guidelines require interactive elements to be at least 24 by 24 pixels, but aim for 44 by 44 for better accessibility. Those tiny buttons might look sleek, but they're impossible for people with motor impairments to use. Second, provide alternatives to complex gestures. Not everyone can pinch, swipe, or drag. For every gesture on your site, add a simple button alternative. If users can swipe through a carousel, also include visible next previous buttons. Third, optimize your forms for mobile. Use proper HTML form controls, place labels above fields, not inside them, and make fields at least 44 pixels tall. Enable autocomplete where appropriate and provide clear error messages. Remember that mobile accessibility isn't just about permanent disabilities. It's about situational challenges too, like using your phone one-handed while holding coffee, in bright sunlight, or on a bumpy bus ride. Testing is crucial. Use real devices, not just emulators, and try actual screen readers like VoiceOver or TalkBack. Performance matters too. Slow sites create barriers for users with cognitive disabilities or older devices. By fixing these issues, you're not just avoiding lawsuits, you're creating a better experience for everyone who visits your site. Small changes can make a massive difference in who can actually use your product.